Hey, what's up, tubers and tubettes? I'm here at the Emerald Pool, Krabi, and I'm gonna do a small trekking video now. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm just gonna put on my shoes and bear with me a second, okay, tubers and tubettes. Let me wash my feet here. Okay, once I get over there, I'll be able to put my shoes on. So I don't have a towel right now, so I'm just walking. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I need to put on my shoes because if I don't put on my shoes, okay. Now I'm gonna do a trekking video out of here. This is the Emerald Pool. I just swam in there and it was really nice. It was really relaxing. I'm walking back now and so just bear with me, okay? Hold on a second, guys.